How to enable cash on delivery in Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on payments to access the payments section of your Shopify store. From there, scroll down to the manual payments methods section and click on the add manual payment method drop down, then click on cash on delivery. It will open up a window from which you can set up your cash on delivery system. It will give you two fields. The first one is the additional details field, from which you need to add details and stuff and explain to the customers what they are dealing with, and it will be displayed to them when they are choosing this as a payment method. The second field is the payment instructions, which you need to give them a step-by-step guide so they can learn and understand how they can use this method, and it will be displayed to them after they place an order with this payment method. And once you're done and added the necessary informations, click on activate cash on delivery at the bottom right of the screen, and the system will be added to your Shopify store. So that was it for this video. That's how you can activate the cash on delivery payment system in your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.